All right, so communism is spreading through the earth, and this is what they're sending to America now. This is electric batteries, battery, a motor, transaxle or something there. And these are, what kilowatt hours is this? This is 119 amp hours, 41.3 kilowatt hours at 347 volts. And each of these is a battery module. So module. Focus. Module. And you can calculate your charge time. But most likely if one of these battery modules goes wrong, it's going to go wrong for the others. And this is it. This is how things are looking. I like my idea of the hydrogen generated V8 sexy sounding LS engine.